Hi parents, I hope you're finding these videos helpful. Today we're going to read which factors do 36 and 42 have in common. So what we need to do first is list the factors for 36. I know that we have 1 times 36, which will equal 36. 2 and 18 also equals 36. 3 and 12, as well as 4 and 9, and then 6 times 6. So now I have listed all the factors of 36. I know 5 is not a factor because something times 5 either ends in a 0 or a 5. And then once I get to 6 times itself, I know I can't go any further. I've cleared all my factors below 6, and multiplying 6 times itself tells me I can't go any higher with my factors other than the ones I've already listed. Now I'm going to work out the factors for 42. I know that 1 and 42 equal 42. This tells me that the beginning of my range for factors is 1 and the end is 42. Now because it's an even number, I know that 2 is also a factor. And if I multiply 2 times 21, I'll get to 42. 3 times 14 will also give me 42. And the kids might work out various strategies to find this factor pair. And then I also know that 6 times 7 equals 42. Now, 4 does not go into 42 because I know that 4 times 10 equals 40, and 2 more wouldn't give me another 4. 5 also doesn't go into 42 because 5 times something, again, is going to give me either a 0 or a 5. And then when I get to 6 multiplied by 7, those two factors will back into each other, telling me that I can't go any higher or lower than the numbers I've already listed. So at this point, we're asking what these factors have in common. I would first circle 1 because I can find it in both sets of factor pairs. Then I would circle 2. Both numbers have 3 as a factor, but only 36 has 4, so I wouldn't choose that one. 36 has 6, and so does 42, but only 42 has 7. 9, 12, 18 are not factors of 42, and 14 and 21 are not factors of 36. So the only factors my number has in common is 1, 2, 3, and 6. We do not want students to select 4 because it's only a factor of 36. And we do not want students to select 7 because it's only a factor of 42. Now, bonus, which numbers on this page are prime, and how do you know they're prime? 1 does not qualify as either a prime or composite number. However, 2 is prime because only 2 times 1 is the factor pair for the number 2. Number 3 is the same way. It's prime because you can only get to 3 by multiplying 1 times 3. 4 has 2 factor pairs, 1 times 4 and 2 times 2, so it is not prime. It's actually considered a composite number. That means it has 2 or more factors. And then 6, I can get to 6 by 1 times 6 and 2 times 3, so it's not prime either. And then 7. Only 1 times 7 will get me to 7, so 7 is also a prime number. Hope this helps. Thanks.